Who pulled the fire alarm? Junior pulled the fire alarm. Who, him? Yes, him. Not him. Then who? Cody. Who pulled the fire alarm? Cody pulled the fire alarm. Who, him? Yes, him. Not him. Then who? Joseph. Who pulled the fire alarm? Joseph pulled the fire alarm. Who, him? Yes, him. Not him. Then who? Penelope. Who pulled the fire alarm? Penelope pulled the fire alarm. Who, him? Who, her? Yes, her. Not her. Then who? Jeffy. Anyway, and and that scene was animated by Nintendo yet again. Wait, they blame it on the kid who gives away snacks? Doesn't that mean Jeffy has to cover it up? And Jeffy pulled the fire alarm again. This is not for party, it's for fire drills. And that's the reaction to Jeffy pulls the fire alarm by SML. There's also, there's some Christmas merchandise that happened last year. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you all next time. Hope you enjoyed this video.